Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What are the best eye drops for dry eyes? Dry eye drops are one of the main treatments for dry eye. Also called artificial tears, these drops help to lubricate the eyes. However, not all dry eye drops are the same. /r/n/r/n Here's more information on the different ingredients you might find in eye drops, which can help you select the best one to soothe your dry eye symptoms. /r/n/r/nVerywell. Theresa Chiechirnrn Dry eye drops provide moisture to eyes that have become dry. Your eyes may become dry for several reasons. /r/n/r/n Dry eye drops are available over the counter, OTC. They are made with some of the same ingredients found in your natural tears, which protect the surface of the eyes. /r/n/r/n Here is more information on some of the common ingredients in dry eye drops. /r/n/r/n Eye drops often contain preservatives that protect the liquid in the bottle from bacteria growth that could occur after it's been opened. /r/n/r/n Some of the most common preservatives used in eye drop preparations include /r/n/r/n Preservatives may irritate the eyes, particularly if you have severe dry eye. If you have moderate to severe dry eye and you are using dry eye drops more than 4 times a day, preservative-free eye drops might be a better choice. The product label will indicate if it is preservative-free. /r/n/r/n There are 2 types of dry eye, evaporative and aqueous deficient. An eye doctor can help you determine the type of dry eye that you have. /r/n/r/n Evaporative dry eye is much more common than the aqueous deficient type. /r/n/r/n If you have evaporative dry eye, the watery elements of your tears go away quickly because the oily layer of the eye surface does not make enough oil or makes poor quality oil. /r/n/r/n If you have aqueous deficient dry eye, there are not enough tears in your eyes. Inadequate tears can be a side effect of a medication or be caused by diseases such as Sjogrens syndrome. /r/n/r/n If you have evaporative dry eye, look for drops with lipid-based ingredients. Examples of ingredients in lipid-based eye drops include /r/n/r/n If artificial tears are not helping your dry eye, you can also try OTC gels or ointments. Gels are the next step up from artificial tears, and ointments are the thickest formulation. /r/n/r/n The formulations are thicker than dry eye drops, which means they last longer. However, the thickness can also make it harder for you to see after using the product. Eye doctors usually recommend using a dry eye ointment before you go to bed. /r/n/r/n Electrolytes are essential minerals like calcium, potassium, and sodium. Lubricating eye drops often contain sodium and potassium, which are also part of your natural tears. These electrolytes can help improve the eye's surface. /r/n/r/n Not all eye drops that are available OTC are considered artificial tears. You'll want to avoid certain types of eye drops unless your eye doctor specifically recommends them. /r/n/r/n Types of eye drops you might want to avoid include /r/n/r/n If you wear contact lenses, you may find that artificial tears help treat the dryness they can cause. There are a few tips to keep in mind when using dry eye drops. If you are a contact lens wearer: /r/n/r/n/r/n/r/n If you are using drops and other products but they are not helping your dry eyes, it's time to make an appointment to see an eye doctor for an exam. /r/n/r/n There are also a few more symptoms that should prompt you to see an eye doctor when using dry eye drops. /r/n/r/n If artificial tears do not help your dry eye symptoms, your eye doctor may recommend prescription eye drops. The most common type of prescription eye drops for dry eye is cyclosporin, which helps to treat the inflammation in your eye glands and causes your eyes to produce their own tears. /r/n/r/n cyclosporin eye drops are sold under the brand names Restasis, Sequa, and Vevi. Another prescription medication that works similarly is called lifitegrast, Xiidra. While cyclosporin and lifitegrast might be more effective than artificial tears at treating your symptoms, they require a prescription and will likely cost more even if you have insurance. /r/n/r/n Other types of prescription eye drops for dry eye include /r/n/r/n over-the-counter dry eye drops can be helpful if you have dry eyes, but you may not find the right match immediately. The first thing to do is find out which type of dry eye you have, then look at the ingredients in different products to see which ones will address your symptoms the best. /r/n/r/n If one type of dry eye drops does not work for you, try another. If the dry eye drops you use do not provide relief even after using them a few times a day, see an eye doctor for an exam. They might be able to prescribe you a product that could be more effective. /r/n/r/n While OTC drops can be an affordable option, if they don't work and you need a prescription, you might be worried about the cost. If you have insurance, find out what your plan will cover. You can also look online for coupons to help reduce the cost of both OTC and prescription eye drops. /r/n/r/n rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.